Hello, welcome back to Vega channel, and right now I'm going to show you how to code. Right here you see I start to code, and right now I did find a CVS, which I got it from Kaggle, which is a website that I use more often. Also, you can create it yourself an Excel sheet using or Google Drive, which I have done that in the past. So next video, stay tuned. I will show you how to create your CBS and just use it in PyCharm. So right now we're going to do is print this, and then just let's see if we want to make it the whole graph. Just do string automatically show. Let's press enter. Then we go into play it, and it will show automatically right here. Sometimes it does show you, but sometimes it doesn't if you use this method. It just depend on what data you're using. Because one time I tried this one of my code and it didn't show me the whole thing. So because it was like too much data. So this data is not way too much. So right now we're going to be be doing like a graph. So right here, if we want to do a line graph or if we want to do a scatter plot, so we see now our option. So the graph, I will do it in another video. For now, we're going to focus on the data frame. So right here, if we do data dot, let's see, it's going to show up. Okay, which one we have here? The type. So right here, we do this. We have to put prints. I always forget that because since I'm used to doing with Jupyter. So you know what is the funny thing? Is that the code that I learned first was Python then Jupyter. So that's the funny part. So right there we got it. And if we press play, okay, it's not query object, it's not. Let's see why it isn't. Okay, I show you right here, but clearly something's wrong with it. Probably if we do PD, let's see if it give me the same thing. I hope it doesn't. And yes, it does once again. Let's just take. Let's see if this run. Okay, it did. Since I put a parenthesis, that is my mistake. Was looking why it doesn't, because like sometimes you can add it, so we can keep going with it. Let's see. We can add join or we can add a mean. Let's just do mean. Mm, We are going to end this video, and I hope you guys like this video with me coding using pandas and using CVS. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also share my video with anyone to for beginner or someone who need helps. Okay, and thank you.